Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Teresa, the obedient girl. A moral story: be responsible for the tasks assigned to you. Teresa was a well-behaved girl. She was responsible and obedient. On a summer day, the teacher announced that the class would go out for a picnic. She appointed Teresa as the monitor and said, "Teresa, you will ensure that no one puts their hands or heads out of the bus. Also make sure that we don't leave anyone behind." Teresa took charge of her responsibilities, and after the picnic assembled all her classmates. They all boarded the bus. As the bus was about to start, she put her head out the window. Suddenly her teachers saw her and said, "I thought you were responsible, Teresa. How can you tell others not to put their heads out when you are doing it yourself?" Me, Teresa explained to the teacher. I ensured that all the students were seated. I was just checking that we had not left anyone behind. The teacher appreciated Teresa for her efforts and gave her candies.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.